Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is about our trip to a cheese factory in Kerala. After we moved from the UK to Kerala, we missed cheese. We couldn't find a good place where they made authentic cheese. The store-bought cheese were highly processed and had a different flavor and taste. It was not something that we were used to, and we were not actually happy to compromise. So we went in search of a place where they made cheese to taste and try and to decide whether we wanted to continue buying from them. Nestled in the heart of Irinjalakuda, Kerala, lies a hidden gem for cheese lovers, Casaro Cheese Factory. It's here that traditional Italian cheese making meets Kerala's freshness, creating a taste that bridges continents.
Mommy!
As we arrived, the first thing that struck us was the aroma. Warm milk, faintly tangy curds, and that unmistakable scent of craftsmanship. Casaro isn't just about cheese. They also cure their own meats here. Traditional Italian-style cuts, slowly aged to perfection. The same attention to detail that goes into their cheese carries through to their charcuterie. Pure ingredients, patience, and a deep respect for flavor.
This is a cafe.
Yeah, isn't that where we are? I don't know if we can see that. Well, it's nice to meet you.
When we first arrived, the little cafe beside the factory was completely empty. No crowd, no noise, just the hum of the ceiling fan and the faint scent of milk in the air. It felt like we'd stumbled upon something secret, a story waiting to be told. That quietness set the tone, calm, simple, and authentic, just like the cheese made here.
2 mozzarella sticks, and I'm having a grilled cheese sandwich. Wheat. I don't even like cheese sticks. What? Which one do you think looks better? This one? Or this one? I can see cheese without smiling. Cheese.
Get some cheese and leave that till later.
It just good now spicy.
What is it all? Tell me.
They're called feta,
Pepperoni.
gouda,
That is pickle feta, pepperoni,
what's this?
cheddar. Is it cheddar?
Maybe, I don't know.
That is
That's-
Malabar cheese.
Black.
Coated with black pepper. That is bacon jam. That's cream cheese.
And that's honey.
And that's Gouda.
This is Malabar, is it?
We enjoyed every bit of food they served us. However, I must admit that the portion sizes were quite small. It was just samplers, and we left the place still hungry. By the time we left, the cafe was packed, and there were people queuing up to find seats to be seated.